Uy, ang ganda ng feed mo ah.
Uy, thank you.
May plano ka ba after La Union?
Actually, next week, pupunta akong Bali.
Oo, next week na. So,
Oo.
kailan mo ito siya plinano?
Early this month, nayaya lang ako ng friend ko.
What? Ano ba yung priorities mo ngayon?
Yung priorities ko ngayon, syempre, una-una, career, and then syempre, yung pag-build din, like, mga investment, property, savings, ganun. And then, syempre, yung maka-help ka rin sa family mo. Lalo na ang dami rin gastusin ngayon. And then, I have siblings na nag-aaral pa. So, sometimes, tumutulong ako sa tuition nila and then yung expenses sa bahay, like kuryente. But at the same time, parang ayoko rin totally mas-sacrifice yung lifestyle na meron ako ngayon. Like, ayun nga, gusto kong kumakain sa labas. Gusto ko nagta-travel, na parang i-enjoy ko rin yung youth ko habang being responsible at the same time. Before pandemic, nag-inquire na ako about insurance. Kino-consider ko na mag-sign ng contract, and after pandemic, parang yung money ko napupunta na somewhere else. So, ang iniisip ko, if kukuha pa ako ng insurance ngayon, parang sobrang dami ko na binabayaran every month.
Is that the main reason na hindi mo pa siya pinupursue? Is parang how to fit it into your budget?
Yun, yung primary reason. And then the other one is that parang at my age, hindi ko pa din nakikita masyado yung parang add-on value niya sa akin.
I was 3 or 4 years into my career in insurance before I actually bought my first policy. Which I now regret. Dapat tapos ko na bayaran yung first policy ko. Pero binabayaran ko pa rin siya because I started really... I think I purchased my first policy, I was 27 or 28.
I purchased my first insurance when I celebrated my 21st birthday. And yun yung regalo ko sa sarili ko.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Working ka na nun?
Working na ako nun. Meron akong tatlong kino-consider nun eh. First is, kasya ba siya sa budget ko? I'm a breadwinner kasi, ang dami ko nang ginagastos sa bahay. Having an insurance kasi is commitment. So, kapag bumili ka ng insurance, dapat ready ka. Ready yung budget mo. Pangalawa, ano ba yung priorities ko that time? And third, ano ba yung gusto mo mangyari in the long term? So, that time, gusto ko lang mag-ipon. May mapaglagyan yung pera ko, hindi lang siya nasa bangko. Kaya, ang binili ko noon was BUL. Kasi, kung bibili ako ng health, wala pa siyang mapaggagamitan yung health. Kung bibili man ako ng life, mas maganda nang meron ng investment. That time, feeling ko, ayun yung the one para sa akin.
Personally, I have a policy. I pay less than what I paid for this coffee.
Really?
Yeah, per day. So, parang feeling ko, if I can set aside money for like cake and the coffee, I can probably set aside that same amount or even less for my future. There is such a concept as starter insurance. Like, we have a digital product called The One. It's the first policy that you buy. So, we don't look at this as something na parang pang forever mo siya na plan, but it's something you can start with so that you're protected while you're trying to enjoy the money that you have.
Ang dami palang different types of policy. So, for me na parang wala pa, but thinking na kumuha, siguro sometime soon. How will I know ano yung the one na fit for me?
So, may tayong tinatawag na hierarchy of financial needs. You start off with your basic needs muna, meaning food, shelter, clothing, things like that. And then, the recommendation is for you to have an emergency fund. So, that's typically 3 to 6 times of your monthly income, nakaset aside sa bangko, something very accessible. So the next one is where you can think of getting health coverage and or accident. So for someone like you, for example, na mahilig mag-travel, it might be good to have accident coverage before you start investing. A lot of people your age, kasi feeling ko nga uso mag-invest, uso yung ganyan. They do that first before saving something for their protection, for their health, for accidents. And, I mean, I'm not saying it's wrong, but what happens is, let's say, you're saving for your retirement. But every time you get sick, something happens, there's an emergency. Saan ka kukuha ng pera? Eh, yung savings mo nga, andun sa investment na yon. So, maubos din siya. So, what happens, essentially, is, you're not effectively saving for your retirement, kasi naging emergency fund siya. Naging health fund siya.
Actually, for someone like me na working naman, may HMO naman ako. So parang ano yung add-on value nito sa akin?
Ang HMO mo, it's great to pay for the hospital bills.
Yes.
Pero pag uwi mo, paano yung therapy? Paano yung gamot? Paano yung change in diet? What if you want to transition to a less stressful source of income? What if some people, they don't even like to get treated? They want to go gracefully and parang tick off items off their bucket list. And because cash yung binibigay, you can choose exactly what you can do with it, what you want to do with it. So, yun, it's not in competition with HMOs, it's a supplement. Pag nagluluto ka, kailangan mo ng salt and pepper. Pwede ka magluto ng salt lang. Okay naman siya. Pwede ka magluto ng pepper lang. Pero when you have both, sobrang ganda niya.
If kukuha na ako ng insurance, ano ba dapat yung mga tinitignan or alamin ko? Kasi parang minsan ang daming terms nakaka-overwhelm.
Oo, ang pinaka-common dyan is premium.
Kasi pag sinabi mong premium nga, parang high class.
Oo.
Ayun lang pala, ayun yung amount to be paid. Either monthly, quarterly, or annually.
So yung rider naman, it's a supplement to your basic plan. So
Parang
para siyang
add-on.
Oo, para siyang add-on, para siyang rider. Nakaangkas lang siya. So you have a basic plan, tapos to customize it to what you need. Like, kailangan mo ba ng more accident coverage, health coverage, hospitalization coverage, you can purchase riders for that purpose.
Okay. And then, pwedeng multiple riders.
Yeah.
So, mahirap ba yung process sa pag-a-apply nito? And ano yung requirements?
Pwede kang mag-fill up ng application form and magpasa ng ID plus the payment using your mobile phone. Marami ng insurance na available online, especially pag pumunta ka sa mga e-commerce shop nila na pwede mo doon bilhin and pwede ka na rin doon mag-apply.
Pero syempre parang if it's not something na you're confident doing by yourself, kasi syempre aaralin mo rin yun to some degree.
Yes.
No? It's still better to talk to a financial planner so that they can recommend something to you. Because yun naman talaga yung expertise nila. It's matching your needs to the appropriate product.
Actually, our conversation made me realize na very important na may insurance ka kahit na bata ka pa. Because I think for someone like me na medyo nasa young age pa naman, starting with my career, it's nice to know na hindi ka ulit aasa sa parents mo kasi it's part of adulting talaga na may nagagawa ka for your loved ones na ayun nga, hindi ka na magiging burden sa kanila.
Super happy ko ngayon kasi nagbe-build ako ng memories, nagbe-build ako ng experiences. Nakakabili na ako ng mga bagong bagay, gamit, gadgets, and nakakakain na ako ng mga gusto kong kainin. And I'm happy na as early as 21 years old, nakapag-start na akong i-build din yung savings ko, yung mga finances ko.
Personally naman, that's one of my regrets is that I did not start young. So I started with my policy at age 28 or 27 because I was waiting to be more financially stable. I was waiting siguro to have more responsibilities. But I realized parang at any phase pala, I could have bought a policy for myself because it's not a matter of finding the perfect plan for you. It's really more a matter of finding the one that you need right now.